So a lot of Stratasys printers out there that people are selling. The difference between ours and everybody else's is we have the ability to get you your part faster. We sell speed when we sell our printers. And how do we do that? Through post-processing technologies. Also the service that's behind it as well. That's what separates Fisher. We have more certified technicians, more support help than any other reseller in the country. Hi, I'm EJ with Fisher Unitech. We're the additive manufacturing experts. So here at Fisher, we represent Stratasys 3D printers, desktop metal 3D printers, our tech line of scanners, and our newest addition, the post-process line of finishing equipment. Not only is Fisher the largest reseller for the Stratasys line equipment in the world, we also have 8,000 SolidWorks customers and over 30,000 seats. So if I can give any advice at all, if you're looking for a 3D printer, understand the entire process that goes with that. Nobody ever talks about what happens when that part is sitting there and the printer is done. Because it's not just about the printer, it's about the entire process. What post-process done is they've created a line of products to eliminate the bottleneck of what happens with post-printing. This here is an ultrasonic cleaning tank with intelligent software solutions. What this does is this eliminates the labor-intensive process of cleaning SLA parts, polyjet parts, and what it does is also give you part consistency from the first part you've cleaned to the 200th part you've cleaned. They're exactly the same. What they have is proprietary solutions for every different material that you work with. So if you're dealing with polyjet, it's a specific detergent. You're dealing with FDM, it's a specific detergent. SLA, wax, etc. So depending upon what it is you're doing, it's a proprietary detergent to streamline that process. You can set and store and save different recipes in here. So it reduces labor, it reduces costs, and it reduces a lot of waste, which is also a hidden cost that people are paying for right now. Here at Fisher, we're the exclusive reseller for the post-process line of equipment. Here at Fisher Unitech, we're the largest reseller of Stratasys 3D printers in the world. So within the Stratasys product portfolio, you can do anything from full color, multi-durometer, multi-material printing to traditional FDM printing, which most people realize in that hobby grade space. One of the markets that Stratasys has really touched upon and really saved on is the manufacturing space. Here in my left hand, this is traditional manufacturing, right? 11 pieces, machined down, assembled together, right? To replace that is this really strong carbon-filled nylon 12. What it does is it eliminates the time to get this fixture into your hands. It's much lighter and much more cost-effective. Bottom line, if you're looking for anything in the 3D printer space, please contact us here at Fisher Unitech. A lot of people, when they stop by the booth at the show, ask if they can try it before they buy it. Get us a file. We'll have you go through that process with one of our applications engineers, print it out so you can test it in your real-world application to make sure it's the fit.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.